うさえれひえれうさえれひえれうさあおいうさあおいうさえれひえれうさえれひえれうさあおいうさあおいうさえれひえれうさえれいえれうさあおい
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Museum of Anthropology at the University of British Columbia. Thanks to the Musqueam people on whose land we stand and sit today, it is fitting that we are gathered tonight at UBC's Museum of Anthropology, as the museum has been a place of exchange and collaboration among Musqueam people and peoples of diverse backgrounds from all over the world. I cannot imagine a better space for this kind of an event.
Kara